What is going on, my young Jedis? Welcome back. It's good to see you back again. I'll do an unboxing today, a double unboxing this time. Stay tuned. I think you want to see this. Howdy folks, welcome back to the house that never sleeps. Got like I say, got a double unboxing here, two guitars we're going to unbox, and I think one of them I think you're really going to like. Probably both of them. The boxes look like they may have got smashed on the very ends here. I don't know. We're just going to check them out and make sure that they made the trip okay. You know, not damaged or anything. Now, before we do that, I'll tell you about this. Red Cube Productions, way out in California. And Alien Music. Or Alien Music Store maybe. Or Alien Music, I think. Alien Music is the ones that make the guitars, I think. Hopefully that's not wrong. Anyways, we'll find out when we get them out of here. Anyways, we got together on a deal and a plan, and it's fallen together pretty good so far. They wanted to send me two of their guitars to unbox and review on the channel here. So that's what we're going to do. We're not going to review them, either one of them, tonight, but we are going to review each one in two different videos. One in one video and one in another. Now, I could do them both in one video, but that's really not fair to either guitar. You know, I'll think a video each to review them, and I could go more in depth, and we can look inside it and play it, and you know, just get a lot more detail out of it that way. So anyways, just make sure they made the trip. I'm going to come over there and get you and bring you a little closer, and let's see what we have here. Hold on. Alright, welcome back. Just noticed on the box here, W-I-N-Z-Z, Wines or Wins. I'm not sure which way they pronounce that. Wines or Wins, I don't know. By Alien Music, A-I-L-E-E-N. I guess Alien Music builds the guitars. It's a music company or guitar building company. I'm going to put links below to their website. The guitars I saw on their website looked really nice. Right there it is, A-I-L-E-E-N music.com. Alien Music, all one word, .com. If you want to check them out. Alright, I'm seeing this the same as you guys are, and wow! That's not even sealed, man. That's the first one of those I ever got. A package that big, not sealed. Anyways, I'm seeing this all the same way you guys are seeing it. Now, there's a little tuner. Show you what the box looks like. I didn't know they were sealing this stuff. The tuners. Or a tuner. Oh, they said strings, polishing cloth. Alice Classical Guitar Strings. Alice Guitar Strings. I've never heard of those before. And polishing cloth. And there's some more stuff down there. Guitar cord. Man, I need a bunch of those. That will definitely get used. Well, these guitars must have a pickup or something in them. I don't know. I just hope it made the trip, man. You know, with no packing or anything in there, bad things can happen. Hopefully they didn't. I don't know if there's anything in the, if it has a, you know, there's a pocket. Doesn't feel like there's anything in that. I think the zipper. No, that was all. Yeah, I don't feel anything in there. Alright, let me figure out how to get it open. It's got a zipper right. Okay, right here. This feels like the front of the guitar. Yeah, I can feel the strings. The strings on it. A lot of y'all have asked me about those wind chimes. I used to build wind chimes. That's what that is. I got wind chimes all over the place. Anyways, I went to their website and looked, and they make some nice guitars, man. I don't know exactly what they sent here. There's a truss rod wrench. I would just about have to bet you on that. Rubber band. Very well fitted rubber band. Okay, I think this might be the classical guitar. Wines, yeah, or Wins. Wines, I would think that's the way that's pronounced. But I don't know. I'm not very good at pronouncing names. Are you ready? Are you ready? Alright, here we go. Wow. It's really nice, man. I think I can lay that right there on the box. Not doing any damage. Red Cube Productions and Alien Music and myself got together on this, talked about it, and I already see something very, very bad. Proprietary bracing system that produces incredible sound, handcrafted, designed for advanced musicians. I already see something very, very bad. I'm going to show it to you right now. Wow, I was afraid this was going to happen because, can you see that? It goes. It must have got dropped there in shipping. I think I can't hardly see the camera, but I think it's showing up in there pretty good. Yeah, it has definitely taken a hit. And that's just a piece of the bag stuck on it. Wow, that's a shame, man. Such a beautiful guitar. It says Wines by Aileen. Made in China. I guess that's a serial number. Beautiful classic guitar. I probably can fix that with, you know, not too bad of a problem. Right there. But still, that's just a, I mean, you know, you would think it could be a little bit more careful with the handling the packages and stuff. The UPS guy brought this today, and he came up and had two boxes, those two boxes. And he turned around, I said, have a nice day. Oh no, wait, he said, I got 3 more boxes for you. So I got 5 guitars in the mail today. 5 of them, counting these 2. So now I'm going to have to check those other ones to make sure they were packaged pretty good. Boy, that is a shame. I'm telling you what, man. The rest of the guitar, check it out. It's even got electronics. I didn't even know that till right now. Battery goes there, bass, mid, treble, presence, battery check, volume, maximum, on and off. I guess the battery goes in here. And it's got a battery in there already, 9 volt. Wow, that's just a shame, man, that it got busted like that. I'll get the camera and bring you over here and show you a better shot of that. Well, maybe if I just turn it around like this, you can see it all the way across there. Let me get the camera and I'll show it a better shot. Just a beautiful classic guitar. There's what the headstock looks like. I can't get up on it too good. Looks like a nice set of keys, they look to be. Always wanted one of these. Well, I have one now. It's been dropped, but you can see there. Let me get you a little closer. Wow, that's just a shame that had to happen. It's such a nice guitar. Hopefully the other one won't be like that. Both boxes, you can see here how they look like they've been mashed. Of course, this is up on the peghead side. Yeah, I'm looking at the other box right here. It looks that way on this one too, like it's been maybe dropped or mashed or something. Hold on, let's get it out and look at it. Alright, guitar number 2. Well, there again, I have not had the lid off this, haven't looked in the box. I don't know if it's, yeah, it's not sealed either. This is the guitar I was really excited about. If it's the one I think they sent, and I think you're going to maybe be excited about it too. If it's the one I think it is. Lay him up there, and it is. I can tell you already. It's a truss rod adjusting wrench. It's really nice to see that when you buy a new guitar. It's nice to get that. A lot of companies don't even send you that or say anything about sending you a wrench. Even some really expensive guitars don't come with the wrench. Yeah, this is one you're going to like this, man. If I ever get to show it to you, I just hope it hasn't been busted too and dropped. Lord, that'd be bad. Check out that gold tuning machine heads. Wow, yes. I'm liking what I'm seeing here. Reinhardt would be very much happy, I think. Oh wow, I need more hands. That's what I need. The Memento. This is a beautiful guitar. It doesn't look like it's been dropped. So far, it don't look like it's been dropped. Check that out, folks. Winds. Around here like this and show it to you. This is a steel string guitar. Check the gold hardware out. Is really nice. Yeah, I don't see any defects at all on this one. Well, the other one wasn't defected, it was dropped. The work of UPS, UPS shipping. Action looks a little bit high on there. I guess you'd have to stand for the bottom of these legs to lower it. You can see it there, the guitar strings are loose. But the action's up there pretty good. But that can be fixed. We don't know if the check these keys out, man. Look at that. The way I'm set up here, I can barely see the camera. I hope it's getting it. And there's a shot of the Wines logo. I know you can see them better there. Those look like really high quality keys too. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. There's the back of it. It's a gorgeous guitar. Talk about a high gloss finish, man. It definitely has a high gloss finish on it. Wow, yeah. Okay, let me get the camera, bring you over here, we'll look at this one. I'll show you some close-ups of it. Hold on. Check those gold tuning machines out. Just a gorgeous guitar. I've been wanting a slotted headstock guitar for a long time. And Dreadnought was really so I wanted, but when I saw this like a gypsy guitar, I thought, look, that's fine, man. But that's what it looks like. Looks like it's got a pretty good arch in the fretboard. But check, that's what I'm talking about, that high gloss. Look at that. I mean, it is gloss city. Look at a little bit of smear marks on it there. But like I say, this is not the review. This is just the unboxing to make sure they made the trip okay, and the other one did not make it okay. I can fix that easy enough, but it's just more time, you know. I guess these two pieces, I'm assuming, are glued onto the guitar. Maybe that's glued too. I saw some fingerprints over here. I doubt I can get that in the camera for you, but they're right there on the top. Yeah, I probably never get the light right to show it to you. Yeah, there you can see them a little bit. Like someone maybe were adjusting these. So I don't know if this middle piece is glued to the top or not. But we're going to review both of these guitars, set them up, and like I say, I'll do a video on each one. That way I can, you know, get a lot more detail on each one in each video, instead of trying to cram them both into one video. There you can see how high the action is. That's seems awful high to me with the strings that loose. I'm not sure what's up with that. This will be a fun guitar to play though. Oh yeah, it's got a 0 fret. I guess the adjustment's right there. I never noticed on that other guitar where it was at. Yeah, okay. I'm going to flop him over, show you the back one more time. Here's the back of the headstock. Super glossy. I mean, that is just excellent finish work, man. Someone really took the time and put into that. I could see myself in there, I think. Yeah. I don't know what that is I'm seeing reflecting right there. Maybe it's a deer head. That's some gorgeous wood there too. Like I say, in the review, we'll look inside and we'll go through it with a fine-tooth comb. I guess this one doesn't have electronics. Hold on. So there you have it, folks. Two brand new guitars. One of them busted in shipping. You know, it wasn't packed very good. If it had been packed better, that probably would show to you under this light. It's hard to get the light right there. Yeah, I don't think you're going to have any trouble seeing that. It's a shame. I guess we're lucky that it wasn't any worse than what it is, you know, but it's bad enough. Anyways, here it is. This one more time. The classical guitar. Just look what, wow. Man, those guys know how to do finish jobs. Look at the back of it, same thing. Same thing on the back and the sides. Those are gold-plated tuning machines too. I don't know if that's, yeah, I think it's getting had. Boy, they even shine. Very, very nice guitars. I'll show you the other one more time. You know, I don't know. Both of these guitars, I don't know yet. It's way early to be saying what I'm going to do with them. But stay tuned, because they might, I say they might, or maybe one of them, maybe both of them, will come up in a contest sometime. And there's Reinhardt's guitar. That's what I'm going to call this one. Check that gloss out, would you? I've always wanted a guitar like this. So I don't know, this one may never be in a contest. It might, like I say, it's way too soon to say. I've got so many dang guitars here. And like I said earlier, 5 came today. 5 of them, man. And I'm going to look at those others. I'm not going to do it on video, but I'm going to look at them and make sure they didn't get dropped or ran over too by UPS. Wow. Can't believe that they would do that. But like I say, you know, if it had been packaged a little bit better, maybe that wouldn't have happened. We're going to see about taking the bridge saddle off of this. Bridge end, I guess you call that a bridge saddle. And see if it's glued to the top or not. It'd be real easy to lower the action just by sanding from the bottom of these legs. Not these, because there's a separation right here. Yeah, I think you can see that. And all I have to do is just sand away from the bottom of it to make, you know, lower the action, get the action down. It's just awful high. It looks like, maybe it's just me, I don't know. But it is nice guitars. Anyways, stay tuned and you'll see these guitars again. I want to do, I'll have to read, they want me to do one or the other of them first. So I've got to read whichever one that is and do that one first. And then I'll do a whole video on that and then a whole video on the other one. I'm thinking maybe it's a classical guitar they want me to do first. I'll have to look and see. I can't remember. Anyways, I hope you guys like this and enjoyed the show. Cheers to you. Peace. And I'll see you soon. I was just looking at these boxes here. The shipping labels on them. And these guitars came from Ontario, Canada. And I think I remember him telling me either, well, Alien Guitars, I guess, made the guitars. They call them Wines or Winds. I hope I'm pronouncing that halfway right. But I think I remember him telling me they were out of Canada. Anyways, you can look them up on the website. What I think it was, alienmusic.com. Proprietary bracing. I don't see it. That's just from memory. I'm pretty sure that's what it was. AILEENMUSIC, all one word, .com. Check them out, man. And watch for these guitars to appear again at the house. Cheers to you. See you next time.